I have hereditary bad teeth. My parents both had dentures by the time they were in their early 40s. And I would be at trade shows and my teeth would break. The condition of my teeth made me feel a bit self-conscious. And so then I didn't want to maybe socialize as much as I normally would. So we started out with a pretty famous prosthodontist in New York who was going to do my restoration. And it just didn't click. We went from there and ended up getting just a temporary put in, but that was put in with permanent cement, so we had some issues trying to get that back out.
We originally took her previous bridge off, and then we could actually assess if any of the dental implants could be used and saved for a next prosthetic. There was, I believe, 2 dental implants that we could save out of the, I believe, 11 that she had. We removed the failing dental implants. We were then able to put bone grafting in to reconstruct where everything had failed, and then place new dental implants. We then went to the lower jaw and we removed her teeth, we placed dental implants, and we made a temporary screw-retained bridge that day. Once everything was healed, then we started fabricating the beautiful zirconia bridges.
When I was handed the mirror and I could see like everything come together, it was pretty phenomenal. I totally feel like my life has been transformed throughout this process. And now, you know, being on this side of it and knowing that I can eat what I want and I can smile and I can talk to people and not be so self-conscious. I mean, it makes a huge difference in how you go through life.